Hello and welcome back to another PowerShell video. We've been talking recently about different components that you can put on a form. Last time we did checkboxes. This time we're going to do combo boxes. So combo boxes are the drop-down list boxes that you see on a form or a web page. So I'll just press play on that so you can see what we mean. So first, second and third, like before. The checkboxes that we've done, same sort of format. We're not actually doing anything with them because there's no events behind these. So how did we create these? These are probably easier than the checkboxes, to be fair. Create the form as before, we won't go into that. We'll jump straight into how to create the combo box. Very simple. You've got a combo box component there that's pre-written, and you're assigning a value to your variable, and then you're assigning combo text. So this is just an array of first, second, and third. Underneath that, we've got an add range. So in other words, why bother doing add when you can set your array up with everything that you want to put in it, do add range, put them all in at one time, and then we're setting the selected index on the next line below just to say that we're starting at the top. Setting the location, adding it to the form, displaying the form, as simple as that. I will put a breakpoint on here just so we can actually see what's going on. So if I press play on that, we can see the combo text has got first, second and third in there. So if I press F10, so the selected item index is -1, we're going to set that to 0, so it's actually in range. In other words, the first one in the list is selected. And we'll just have a look in the editor at these. So I'm just going to copy that and plonk it down there. And look what we've got our items first, second and third. So in other words, you could use that later on if you're selecting text and you want this. When you select a text, you want this to do something, so you can jump to a function that's then going to do whatever you want it to. So if you've got something behind first and you want it to do the first function, then you can select that and it'll go off and do that, and it's whatever you want really. It's your design. Continue with that. So F5 to carry on with the program, and there we go. First, second and third, but not actually doing anything. So there you go. That's combo boxes. Very simple. There is a lot more to it. There's a lot more to combo boxes than just these. There's a lot of functions that you can play around with them. So this is just the basics of adding a combo box to your form. Okay, next time we'll do radio buttons.